Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video I'll show you how to make a video player in Sketchware. So I am setting a app here at first. So here at first I'm setting a linear and setting here a button, and I'm setting the text here, select video, and I'm setting the text size 20 sp. Now on the on activity create, set some codes giving ad source directly. I am copying the codes from here. You can get the codes on the video description. Okay, now I'm copying the codes and setting in the ad source directly block. Okay, now on activity create a new variable, string variable naming path, and then go to the list and create a new list of string naming list b. I want to say something that these names must be as I have given, otherwise this app will not work. The name of the variable must be path, otherwise the app will not work. So now go to component and create a new file picker naming fpick. You have to set this name at this way and the video hash star in this way, otherwise the app will not work. Now on file speed, set string variable path to get at 0, list string the list file path. Now set here some codes. I am getting these codes from this website. Now I am setting it here. Okay, now on the button 1 on click, set view file picker, pick files. Now go to more block and create a new block naming extra, nothing more, and set the codes on the extra. This video I have finished quite fast and I am happy with that, as your important times are saved by my work. So I have setted everything. Now look something here on the on activity create. Here you see the thing is linear 2, and on the view I will show the video is actually linear 2. The ID is linear 2. You can change it, but you have to give this linear 2. You have to keep this same, and other things must be same as I have given. So now I'm running the app. Oh yes, the codes are okay. Just wait a sec. Now allow and then select video. So here I am showing you a video I have given on my channel.
Friends, welcome in the 46th tutorial of
the video. I can turn it. So thank you for watching this video. Please see our all the videos to get knowledge about Sketchware tutorials. Thank you.